Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shweta Sublok and today I am going to tell you about how to apply eyeliner. I'm going to tell you 5 different ways of applying eyeliner. As you can see, I have already applied eyeliner and we'll make it simple कैसे eyeliner को उतारना है. हमारे पास आई मेकअप रिमूवर नहीं है और हम घर में लॉकडाउन में हैं तो क्या करें. कोकोनट ऑयल ले लीजिए. कोकोनट ऑयल को थोड़ा सा कॉटन में लेंगे और आईलाइनर को उतारेंगे. ये एकदम उतर जाएगा. आईलाइनर को मेकअप को उतारना आप कोकोनट ऑयल से उतार सकते हैं. इट इज़ क्वाइट सेफ. सो मैं भी आपको वही करके दिखाती हूँ. ये मैंने थोड़ा सा कोकोनट ऑयल थोड़ी सी कॉटन में ले लिया है. एंड नाउ आई विल रिमूव माई आईलाइनर. Maybelline Compact to retouch my eyes. Because I have used oil to clean my eyes, I'll apply compact nicely around my eyes. It will give me a smooth texture to apply eyeliner. Now I have picked a very common shade from the nude palette so that I can apply my eyeliner. This is kind of light rust color. And I am not using any professional brushes. I am using the brush which they have given in the palette. So this brush I am using so that you can also use the same brushes, same palette, same oil to remove your makeup. Now you can see this color is so natural. I am taking Dawan Stylo from Oriflame and I will start my first eyeliner look. This is the basic eyeliner look which I want to share with you all. Stylo is basically a sketch pen eyeliner. We can call it as pen eyeliner also. And it is very easy to apply. So with the help of this stylo, I'll be applying my first eyeliner look, which is a basic eyeliner look. Now I'll apply a thin line of eyeliner on my eyelids. I'm giving the final touch to my eyes. Now you can see this is very simple and easy eyeliner which we can apply daily. Now let's move forward for step number 2. Again, remove your eyeliner with the help of coconut oil. As you all can see, I have not removed my first eyeliner fully. I have just removed the edges. Now here I am doing the edges again. And if you notice, I have left the gap in between of my eyeliner. Now here I want to fill some color and make it more dramatic. So let's see what color I am choosing. It's a green color. Yes, the very beautiful peacock green color. So in the gap I will fill that green color and that same green color I'll use as kajal also. Now you can see this little green color have changed the entire look of my eye. And it is looking so beautiful. I can wear it with any dress. I can wear in contrast or maybe with the green matching color. Let's move forward for the third eyeliner. Again, I'll remove my eyeliner completely and I'll show you a different look. I'm taking Eyes and Shine crayon pencil from Sugar brand. It is a really nice experience applying this eyeliner because I really liked it. So I'll use it as eyeliner and eyeshadow both. And you can see I have covered half of my eyelid with this eye pencil and I have completed this look almost. So this was very simple way of applying a eyeliner or a eye shade. I think I have put some extra eye shade, but no problem. I can anyways remove it with the help of cotton. Now there is a twist that I will finish this look with my mascara. Here I am using mascara from Oriflame brand, which is one of my favorite as I mention in all my videos. So this look is done and we'll move forward for our next eyeliner look. Let's go forward for our fourth eyeliner look. Here I have used coconut oil again to remove my eyeliner and I have taken a golden color pencil. It is a sparkling gold color pencil. I have covered half of my eyelid with this gold color. Similarly, for another eye, I'll cover half of my eyelid with this gold color pencil. Now I have taken Oriflame eyeliner, which is the one jet black eyeliner, and I'll apply it. I am using a thin line eyeliner and again a notch eyeliner, and on the center of my eyelid I'll apply my eyeliner. You can see I have provided a thin line here also. Similarly, for the next style I'll do the same procedure. Let it dry and I'll show you how it looks. It looks amazingly superb and I really like this look. I'll fill in the gap between my eyelid and eyeliner with a blue color pencil. And you can see the whole look has changed. Similarly, for the next style I'll do this. And the final result, you will see that how it changed the result to an eyeliner and eye shade. Can you see that? If you have a smaller eye, you should try this look and your eyes will look bigger than you have. Now let's go forward for the fifth eyeliner look. I'll be taking Oriflame Stylo eye pencil, which is in a form of a sketch pen and very easy to apply. Let's apply it. So as you can see, I'll go from my eyelid edges and then I'll go inside my eyelid. Here I'm trying to apply a thick eyeliner. This is a very common eye makeup look, but lot of girls we think like how to apply this kind of eyeliner. So we just need to go from the edges and we have to apply a thick line of eyeliner in our eyelid. So this will cover almost half of the eyelid and this will give you a very bold and beautiful look. You can see that in the final look. So stay tuned with my video till the end. See, again, let's finish up with our blush on and some lipstick and you will have a fabulous look for tonight. And here is my final look. I hope you guys have enjoyed my video and you will apply these eyeliners on a different occasion. I'll see you again in my next video. Till then, take care. See ya. Love you all. Guys, I have one request with all of you. I have seen like lot of you are watching my video but not subscribing my channel and not liking my video. So this is a humble request. Please do subscribe my channel, like my video and share it with your friends and family. Goodbye guys.